Hello students, today we will discuss how to get started with the Google Apps script. There are two main types of scripts you can use with Google App. That is, number one, the standalone and the bound script. What do you mean by the standalone script? The scripts which are not attached to any particular app in the Google account, or they work as the macros. They are known as the stand-alone scripts. They do not have an attachment to any particular app in the Google account. The standalone scripts alongside your other Google Drive files, and each file contains JavaScript for your particular function. Another script is the bound script. These scripts extend the functionality of a certain file in one of your Google apps. They perform specific actions directly to that particular file. For example, you can create a script bound to a specific Google Sheet that checks for and removes the duplicate rows. Google lets you publish both the scripts, that is standalone, and the bound script for others as well. In fact, the add-ons menu in a document includes dozens of scripts to translate your document, format tables. You know that you are having the add-ons. When you are going to click the get add-ons, then you are having the lots of scripts in this. But if you don't like any of the scripts in between them, then you can create your new one. The new one of two types, standalone and bound. So let's build your first script. You just create a new sheet. Under the tools, you go to the script editor. When you click it, you will get the similar page like this. This is the place where you write your code for the new script. Let's name the project, that is create headers. Our project name is create headers. When you're going to press OK here, it's going to save the project. Now your project name is titled here, that is create headers. Now we are going to have the coding in our my function. It is a function name, my function. We just rename this by naming it as create headers. Now what we have to do is we just want to freeze the topmost row, this topmost row. When you freeze it, you will create the headers here. So let's have the coding. The coding is It will not give you any of the intelligence. You have to type all of the code you're on. Active spreadsheet. Get sheets. It is going to take your first row. Now your this code which I'm going to write, this row, this code will freeze your first row. This is the method that we call to freeze the first row. So you can you can see this coding for freezing your first code, that is the first row. So when you're going to save it, you just press Ctrl S. It is the shortcut to save the file. Now we are having only one function to run, and when you're going to play this function, we just have to go to the play or go to the run button. So it is going to running, it is going to give you the error that is on the first line that we have written, where ss is equal to, it is the capital one, spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet. It's okay. Yes, now when you're going to run it, it is going to save the file, and now it is going to run function create headers. Now it is going to ask you that there is the authorization required to run your to access the permission to your data to apply this function to it. You're having the review functions here. You have to log in. You allow. Now it has run. Now your first row, this row is freezed one. You can see the gray symbol here. This row, your first row, is freeze now. So this is the way how you can make your own script for making any other function to apply on your spreadsheet, or to make any other new add-on. You can also say it is the add-on that is going to super function your spreadsheet. Thank you.